This is your match number 1 from the blue corner, Juro Amandoron.
This region in the Philippines has...
Fighting from the red corner, Maynard Atole.
This region in the Philippines has produced a lot of top guys. Dito natin makikita if ito bang mga to? Well, it's the future of the URCC.
And when the action begins, your referee in charge, Brisel Daya.
And our third lady inside the URCC cage, of course, referee Giselle Del Rosario. And this is our first match, our first bout for this afternoon dito sa Kaugma Collision 2. Dito lamang yan sa URCC. Round 1 is on the way. Bakbaka na! Juro Amandoron
With that
ating blue corner.
Yes.
Unang leg kick ang binato ni Juro. Alam mo, ganyan talaga Tito JC. No?
Feeling out
Ganyan,
Toronto first round. So,
isa pang leg kick, another leg kick by Juro. And a push kick.
si Atole has yet to respond to those tough messages from Amandoron.
Huwag natin kalilimutan itong si Atole. He has a boxing background.
Yes.
Kaya maganda rin ang kanyang stance, lalo na yung pwesto ng kanyang kamay. And nagkabatuan ng suntok. And Juro initiated that position.
Dinala agad.
Nasa ground. And itong si Atole, medyo sa... Ito yung kanyang, one of his strengths itong ground na to. And Atole trying to go for that side control, side position of Juro. And Juro, he tried to go for that guillotine choke.
Yeah, pero medyo off yung position. So.
Off yung position dahil nasa side control position na itong si Atole. Hindi magiging successful ang guillotine choke attempt nito ni Juro.
Juro needs to get out of that position kasi mapapagod lang siya.
Knee to the body. Itong si Atole. Knee to the belly of Juro. And nakakabawi ngayon ang position itong si Atole. And the stomping of that foot by Juro. Kung papansin natin, si Juro yung nag-i-initiate ng takedown dito sa laban na to. Knowing na itong si Maynard Atole has multiple, is a multi-medalist sa grappling. Nasa guard ngayon ni Atole, itong si Juro. Well, for sure, itong si Juro is trying to go for a ground and pound.
Yes.
That's why he's trying to go for that takedown.
And well, he definitely needs to get in a better position bago niya ituloy yan. Kasi it will only smell trouble para dito kay Juro Amandoron. Kapag pinilit niyang gawin yan.
He will tire himself off sa position na ito. And then until now, Juro is inside the guard of Atole. 10 seconds remaining sa ating unang round. Not much of a damage na nangyari.
Medyo, well, as we mentioned, this is the filling out round. Medyo,
and that's it for the first round. Kakapaan pa. Sa first round natin, medyo nag-dominate ng takedown attempts. Itong si Juro Amandoron. A few takedowns were successful for him. Ang lang doon medyo nakakabawi lang ng position. Itong si Maynard Atole.
Medyo kinukulang ng control ng konti.
And as we continue with our fight, habang natin ating second round, we would like to thank, of course, URCC Kaugma Collision 2 would like to thank ang ating governor dito sa Camsor, Governor L. Ray Villafuerte, and the congressman, our congressman here, Congressman Luigi Villafuerte. Maraming salamat po, Governor and Congressman Villafuerte, for bringing, for accommodating URCC for the second time here sa Camarines Sur.
Second out.
And of course, binabati natin, bago tayo patuloy sa ating second, binabati natin ang ating mga viewers sa ating Facebook page. Naka-stream tayo ngayon live.
Yes. Salamat po sa pagtutok, sa pagsama sa amin in this
This is
broadcast.
round number 2.
It's round number 2. And it's on the way para sa ating first bout this afternoon. Second round, bakbakan
Second
na.
round.
Juro Amandoron sa ating blue corner and Maynard Atole. Ooh!
Oh! Wow. That was a good hit pero nakabawi agad.
Nakabawi rin yung left hand ni
Or
Atole.
nakabawi nga ba talaga? Good kick there from
Medyo
Amandoron.
makikita mo kay Atole na medyo nahihilo siya doon.
Oo, medyo na-rock siya. Pero syempre, I mean, you wouldn't want your kababayan to see that. Syempre, laban kung laban.
Hindi lang gaanong solid yung inaabot ni
Oo.
Atole doon kanina. That's why he was able to recover din kagad. And the one who's always initiating the attack here is Juno Amandoron. Very aggressive, setting up. Again, maybe setting up those takedowns against Maynard Atole. Again, Juno Amandoron sa ating blue corner with the blue tag. Maynard Atole sa the fighters with the red tag.
This is a bout in the
Good leg kick.
115-pound division.
Good leg kick by Amandoron.
Hindi lang tumama.
And medyo bumabawi ngayon itong si Atole.
Medyo umiinit na tong si Atole.
Oo. He's the one. Now he's the one chasing
Oo.
Juno Amandoron. Atole getting more aggressive than Amandoron. Good overhand, di lang tumama. Salubungan na naman suntok. Tinamaan doon ng bahagya si Amandoron. And now Atole
Starting to be in control of this round.
trying to secure the back of Amandoron. And if he's able to secure this will be a very dangerous position for Amandoron. Atole keeping on those punches.
Yes. Keeping himself busy. Grounding and pounding. Itong si Amandoron
Half guard position for Atole. Now Atole will try to push the face or the face of Amandoron to have that better position.
Ito na.
And Amandoron try to recover and try to go for that rear naked choke. Hindi lang nakakapasok dahil wala pa sa magandang position.
Medyo maganda yung depensa dito ni Amandoron. Hindi pa
Atole now recovered that position. Atole
Atole on top in the last 10 seconds of the second round.
Medyo lumabas yung action.
Oo.
That's the end of the second round. Lumabas yung action itong second round na to, no? And nakita natin kung sino yung nakabawi. Maynard Atole was able to regain and he was chasing Amandoron kanina sa second round.
Yes. Which is good kasi makikita natin na itong si Atole has actually started to adjust since the first round. Ito na ang third and final round natin coming up. Dito natin na malalaman kung sino na nakabasa kanino talaga.
And before we serve you our third and final round, syempre again pinapasalamatan po natin ang ating governor here sa Camarines Sur, Governor El Rey Villapuerte and Congressman Luigi Villapuerte. Eh syempre binabati natin yung kapatid syempre ni Congressman Luigi Villapuerte, si Congressman Migs Villapuerte. Maraming
Seconds out.
And third and final round is on the way para sa ating first bout dito sa URCC Collision 2. Dito JC, marami pang tao sa labas, hindi pa sila nakakapasok.
Oo.
Well, habang inaantay natin sila, mahaba pa ang gabi. Marami pang exciting matches ang ating matutungo ngayon.
Ito nga makikita natin si Atole. Medyo mainit na talaga. I think he's gonna try to start to finish this fight. early in the third round.
He will try to finish this dahil napakaganda lang pinakita ni Atole sa second round.
Oo.
And pumped up na tong batang to.
Siyempre, itong si Amandoron, hindi naman papayag. Dumayo siya ng napakalayo.
Again, these two young warriors,
Round number 3.
our next generation fighters.
Yes.
Round number 3. Third and final round. It's Juno Amandoron versus Maynard Atole. Maynard Atole wearing the red tag. Juno Amandoron with the blue tag.
Medyo na-warningan sila ng referee doon.
Kasi
Medyo
wala.
tumagal nagpapakiramdaman.
Medyo-
They need to do more.
Medyo napatagal ng konti ang
Oo.
kanilang titigan.
Oo.
Atole, nagkapalitan doon ng high kicks.
Medyo nagkabasahan agad
Oo.
doon.
Hindi lang tumama pareho.
Oo, ayun na. Amandoron with that leg kick. Atole answers with a couple.
Nakikita natin ngayon, no? Pantay na o
Yes.
masasabi natin tabla yung kanila.
Oh!
Amandoron was tagged by Atole. And referee Giselle ended that fight.
Maynard Atole gets the win for his home ground.
Napakaingay ng kanyang mga kapwa-Oragon dito sa Fuerte Camsur Sports Complex.
Nagwawala po ang home ground.
And baka nagtatanong ang ating mga viewers ngayon, bakit hindi mo yung laban? Hindi naman na knockout. Scratch po at knock na ating referee
Yes.
na nagwapol and nag-ano yung mata ni
Napakaganda nung tama na yun. I mean, it was only it wasn't far long bago matuluyan ito. Safety first para sa ating mga fighters.
Safety first. Baka magtanong ating mga safety first ang iniintindi ating referee. And again, Maynard Atole won his fight against Juno Amandoron, winning the fight and winning the shouts and screams and applauses of his hometown boy.
Unang laban pa lang po, may finish na. Like what we promised earlier, mainit, wild, crazy, bakbakan to bakbakan.
Sinasabayan ang init ng Camarines Sur. And here we go for the
Referee
official
calls a
now.
stop to the contest in the third round. Your winner in the red corner, Maynard Atole.
And it's official. Maynard Atole winning his fight dito para sa kanyang home crowd.